Good evening and welcome to Paris Lake's Open House. I'm Mr. Alfred. I'm the new principal of Paris Lake, Online Scholar Plus, and the Adult School programs. I wanted to share with you a few of the upcoming additions that are going to be added to the site as we expand opportunities for your students. We've partnered with the City of Paris, who is going to be coming in and providing for us a community garden that should be installed very soon. We'll be bringing in a culinary and video production program. These programs will also be open to the adult ed students in the evenings, and it looks to begin by next school year. So these are going to be some great opportunities that we'll be expanding here at Paris Lake. Again, providing more opportunities for our students and the community. If you didn't know, Paris Lake is a Title I school. All schools develop a plan under Title I to help students achieve. The plan is based on data we gather, which the government provides federal funds to help us reach these goals. All parents can participate in these goals, setting process, and you can run for school site council committee position if you choose. Paris Lake prides itself on a collaborative team effort to make sure these funds are being used responsibly to help all students achieve. Remember, open house begins tonight at 6 p.m. You should receive an email from your teacher in your parent portal that will allow you to log in and see each of the teachers' individual videos where they can discuss with you what the school year has been like, what are the activities that they've got going on, and what they've been doing to help your students achieve. Again, we thank you for joining us. We look forward to getting your students back on campus, and we really love that you're going to participate with us tonight. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.